Hello folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn with a Rocky Ridge K2 package put on it. Stock number 28407T. What a gorgeous truck. It's diamond black in color. Again, it is a 1500 4x4. The Rocky Ridge, put the bull bar on it. You got the LED lighting in the front. We've already got front parking assist sensors. Comes equipped with the Hemi, the 5.7, 8-speed automatic transmission. It is a full crew cab. It's a K2 badging. We've got 20-inch black ion wheels. 37-inch Mickey Thompsons. Then the infab off-road step bars here. And this is the Bighorn package, so we've got a diesel gray interior cloth and partial black, power driver's seat. It does have the buckets in it. Got the 8.4 touchscreen radio, which is awesome. Heated steering wheel, heated cloth seats. We've got the Uconnect system, hands-free telephone, fog lamps, power pedals, power windows, locks, mirrors, and these mirrors here are power folding as well. Of course, this is the 2019, which is the new body style. Lots of room in these crew cabs. Storage underneath the mat here. Rocky Ridge, put the fender flares on it. Got brake caliper covers on it from Rocky Ridge. Black tipped exhaust, tow package, backup camera, power sliding rear window. These new tailgates are so light, so easy to pick up, fold down. With the rear parking assist sensors. Manual passenger seat, CD player, gorgeous truck, 2019, the new body, Ram 1500 full crew cab 4x4 with a Rocky Ridge K2 package on it, diamond black in color, here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.